Live fitter and longer with the Fitzness Show, hosted by fitness expert, author, and TV personality Fitz Kohler. She'll tell you why diets are dumb, supplements are snake oil, and the truth about how you can earn a lean, hard, pain-free, and athletic body. Now for our favorite bossy blonde, Fitz Kohler.
It's a Fitzy Mini. It's so cute. Hi team, I'm Fitz Kohler, your super bossy fitness pro from fitzness.com, and welcome to the Fitzness Show. This one's just a teeny tiny poke in your chest. In fact, I'm going downstairs. I'm going to poke you right in the gut. That's right, your tummy, your abs, your stomach, whatever you want to call it. Poking you there because that's our topic. You can have super sexy, super lean abs. You can have a six-pack. Yes, even you. I'm talking to you there. You're not stuck with a muffin top forever. You're not. You just have to put in the work if that's what you want. So interestingly, this year I've had some folks reach out, a bunch of guy friends who are guys who've said, Fitz, I've seen your swimsuit pictures and I thought, well, if you can have abs, I can have abs. And so these are men that are now dropping dozens of pounds. And the ab pictures they're sending me, again, not creepy. I'm their fitness pro, so they can do that. But holy hell, these men are like, I'm going to get abs too. And now they're getting abs, and it's incredible. And they're in their 40s and they're in their 50s. And the typical age where people say, I can't because I'm old. F that and F that mindset. Who the hell are you? 40 is old, 50 is old. Shut up. Brad Pitt is 60-something. So is Tom Cruise. And really, when you're 80 and 90, looking back, you're going to look at yourself in your 40s and 50s and 60s and go, damn it, I was young. I had so much potential. I didn't harness it. Or you're going to look back and say, holy hell, I did harness that potential. And here's proof. I got a picture of my abs. Look at that, right? So how do we get sexy abs? Well, a couple of things. You got to build the muscle, lots of planks, lots of crunches. Oh my gosh, my Fitzness YouTube page is jam-packed with all sorts of innovative abdominal training. That's what you got to do. You got to build the muscles. And the muscles are there. You can't be like, I don't have abdominal muscles. Well, if you didn't, you'd be slung over in a back bend, right? Those muscles are holding you upright. So you do have abdominal muscles every other day. Give them a 48-hour rest. Don't train every day. Every other day, train those abs and train them with a vengeance. Train them to make you when you do push-ups and it like a grunt because they're so hard, you should get there with ab work too. Ab work should be challenging, and that's how you make those muscles stronger and better. So the exercise counts. And then you got to shed the fat. And that's where the exact formula for weight loss comes in. It's just, I teach you how to eat the right amount of the right food for the size you want to be. It's not a diet. It's not a pill. It's not a powder. It's not a pharmaceutical. It's not a scam. It's not corrupt. It's not expensive. It costs you nothing. You just have to go to the cover of fitzness.com. There's a little square. It says exact formula for weight loss. You go, boop, read that bad boy. And you're going to go, it can't be that easy. I'm going to go, yeah, it can. You say, no. And I say, yeah. And I've got proof because I've got abs. I've got yeah. Pat myself on the back right now, but my abs are great. I'm super proud of them. I'm a grown-up with nice abs. And now my disciples, that's right, my followers, my fans, my people, my friends who do what I tell them to do, they have rock hard abs too. And so do you want to be one of those people? Hell yes, you do. Because again, it's nice. It's nice to have great abs. Have you ever in your life had have abs? If you have, then you know how good it feels, right? And what a wonderful thing to showcase. And even if you're going to be modest about it, know this, that if your abs are lean, if you've got rock star abs, probably most everything else on your body is looking fabulous too. I truly believe that abs are the cherry on top. They're usually not the first thing. People don't show up with ripped abs and really loosey noodle arms and squishy thighs, right? So lean, hard abs are indicative of a well-designed, thorough, effective fitness plan. So you got to combine the exercise, definitely the strength training, and you got to combine the exact formula for weight loss. So you shed any fat, and then, I don't know, buy yourself some tank top or some crop tops, get yourself a new swimsuit. And come on. Life is short. And if you want to wear a crop top, you're not a hussy. If you're a guy who wants to go shirtless, you're not a bad guy. You're a good guy. In fact, I got to tell you, if you've got abs, let me know when you're going to be mowing your lawn. and I will find a way to drop by. I'm not to drive by. I'll just drive by. I won't drop by. I won't stop and stare, but I will drive by, and I appreciate it. I love a healthy body, including. So I want you to go get them. This is your assignment, America and beyond, all my listeners in Argentina and Australia and Hong Kong and Ireland. Get some freaking abs. Get yourself a crop top or no top. Send me those pictures, and well, we can celebrate your sexy, leaner, harder abs together. I love you. Folks, if you haven't done so yet, subscribe to the Fitzness Show wherever you listen. The subscription just means they're going to send you an update to say, Fitz has made some more noise. You should tune in. And sometimes it'll be these 5-minute pokes, and sometimes it'll be an hour-long interview with someone interesting and, with a great story to tell, right? But I want to get in your ear to keep encouraging you to do better and be better. I love you so much. Get to work. Bye, team.
Are you looking for the perfect gift for a loved one battling cancer? The Cancer Comeback Series by Fitz Kohler offers hope, inspiration, and practical guidance. With Your Healthy Cancer Comeback, My Noisy Cancer Comeback, and the Healthy Cancer Comeback Journal. These books are a lifeline for all patients and survivors. Right now, you can order autographed copies at a special discount. Show your support and help a loved one go from sick to strong. Visit fitzness.com today. That's FITZNESS.com. Fitzness.com.